Hi everyone, let's simplify this, okay? Now, this is a very tricky one, but very easy as well. Now, first of all, we need to simplify root 63. Now, square root of 63, if we draw our line, let's do it this way. This is 63. Now, 3 is the smallest factor, right? Apart from 1. Now, 63 divided by 3 will give us 21. 21 divided by 3 will give us 7, and 7 divided itself is 1. So because this is square root, if we group this in pairs, this is the only pair we have here. 3 times 3 is 9. So it simply means that we can express root 63 as root 9 multiplied by 7, right? So we have this as the square root of, so we write 8 minus, this will be square root of 9 multiplied by 7, okay? Now remember that square root of A multiplied by B is equal to square root of A multiplied by square root of B. So that means we can write this as the square root of 8 minus the square root of 9 multiplied by the square root of 7. So we have square root of 8 minus square root of 9 is 3 root 7. Now, we can write this as the square root of 1 multiplied by 8 minus 3 root 7. Okay, so note that 1 is equal to 1 over 1, which is equal to 2 over 2, which is equal to 3 over 3, and so on and so forth, okay? Therefore, we can write this as the square root of 2 over 2 multiplied by 8 minus 3 root 7. That means that we can write this as the square root of 2 multiplied by 8 minus 3 root 7 divided by 2. Okay, now let's open the bracket. We have the square root of 2 times 8, 2 multiplied by 8 minus 2 multiplied by 3 root 7. Everything divided by 2. So we have the square root of 2 times 8 is 16 minus 2 multiplied by 3 root 7 divided by 2. Now, 16 is equal to 9 plus 7. Therefore, we can write this as the square root of 9 plus 7 minus 2 multiplied by 3 root 7, everything divided by 2. Please hit the subscription button and turn on notification bell if this is the first time you are seeing us. Give us a thumbs up if you love what we are doing. Don't just watch and go, okay? Please like, comment and share. It means a lot to us. Thank you so much, and tune in at your convenience. You will see something new to watch. I will always try to upload as often as I can, okay? Thank you so much. Now let us continue. So this is equal to the square root of, now 9 is same thing as 3 squared, so we have 3 squared plus, now 7 can be expressed as square root of 7 squared, right? Then minus 2 multiplied by 3 root 7, okay? Now everything divided by 2. So if we solve further, we can say, let us note that a squared plus b squared minus 2ab is equal to a minus b squared. Therefore, we can write this as the square roots of, you can see that our a is 3 and our b is root 7. Okay, so we can write this as a squared, a minus b, that is 3 minus root 7 squared, divided by, now 2 can be expressed as square root of 2 squared. Okay, that is because remember that square root of a all squared is equal to a. All right, now also remember that a squared divided by b squared is equal to a divided by b raised to the power of 2. So we can write this as the square root of 3 minus root 7 divided by 2 all squared. Okay, so let's continue. I hope you have given us a thumbs up. That is if you love what we are doing. Okay, so let me write the last statement. We wrote that square root of 3 minus root 7 divided by 2 all squared. Okay, now remember that square root of a raised to the power of 2 is equal to what? A. So we can write this as, this we remove this, right? So what we now have is 3 minus root 7 divided by 2. Okay, sorry, let's go back to this. I made a mistake somewhere. Okay, so from here we have root 2 squared. So this should be root 2. We only removed the square, right? Okay, we brought out the square. So this is root 2 as well, and this is root 2 as well. Now we rationalize. So if we do that, we have 3 minus root 7 divided by root 2 multiplied by root 2 divided by root 2. So if we solve this, we have root a multiplied by root a is equal to a. So this will be root 2 bracket 3 minus root 7 divided by root 2 multiplied by root 2. This is equal to, now we can write this as square root of 2 multiplied by 3 minus root 7 divided by 2. Now this is a good solution, all right, but we can still simplify it further. If we multiply this out, we have root 2 times 3 minus root 2 multiplied by root 7 divided by 2. So we can write this as 3 root 2 minus, then this will be root 14 divided by 2. So this is also an acceptable answer. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.